The virtual e-learning example I would like to demonstrate is a cabin crew recurrent training course developed for the airline Norwegian Air Shuttle, where 3 different subjects are implemented in one same e-learning application. The subjects are emergency equipment, first aid, and emergency procedures.
What you see here is a virtual environment based on 360-degree photography, where learners can move around with the mouse or the keyboard keys. And to navigate from one position to another, you simply click on the arrows in the aisle or use the overview map. The solution works on the principle that you navigate around the aircraft and visit so-called hotspots, or learning boxes, where your own training material can be implemented. By clicking on these hotspots, you will be presented with text material, still images, questions, 3D animations, missions and quests, videos, etc. The hotspots also have a built-in question and exercise functionality to ensure an efficient learning process. By clicking on the symbol "Test me on this", you will receive 1 or more questions in the actual topic. The questions and answers are randomly picked and monitored through Optional Learning Management System, or LMS. This specific solution includes more than 300 questions divided into the 3 different subjects. When you have looked through every item in one hotspot, the entire hotspot will then turn green. The meter on the toolbar at the bottom of the page will increase as you progress and answer questions. You can easily go from one subject to another simply by clicking on the symbols in the toolbar on the bottom of the screen. The 3 subjects are presented by the system in different ways. The subject Emergency Equipment focuses on locating and practice the use of emergency equipment on board. The subject's First Aid and Emergency Procedures works on the principle that the system generates missions how to manage and take action on medical and emergency incidents that occurs in the virtual cabin. For example, in the subject First Aid, the system provides you with different medical emergencies, and you as crew can train on what symptoms to look for and how to give proper first aid. This is done by animated movies, followed by questions where you can test yourself. The solution contains a practice mode and a final test mode. In practice mode, the user can explore, interact and play around without anything is reported to the LMS. The initial practice mode is then followed by a final test to secure that everyone complies with the authority and company requirements. To enter the final test, you simply click on this Final Test button. In the final test, you will be given missions via the information bar on the bottom of the screen on where to go and use the map to navigate through the aircraft. You will be asked 10 randomly picked questions from each subject, 30 questions in total. The meter on the toolbar at the bottom of the page will increase as you progress and answer questions. A counter keeps track of the time until the end of the test. When completed the test, you will be able to review all your answers and change them if necessary before submitting your test. The test result will thereafter be reported to the administration at Norwegian through the LMS. All course content, text material, questions, pictures, videos, missions, etc. can be edited by you as a customer with the help of our editing tool. This editor allows the training department to change the content themselves, ensuring a quick update of course material due to new audits.